Hi, this is Sir Romy again. So we are done with factoring polynomials with a common monomial factor. Now we will be dealing with factoring by groupings because there are some expressions which have a common binomial factor. Okay, let's take an example. X plus y, x minus 3 plus x plus y, x minus 5. Okay, there are two terms. Remember, when we say terms, it is bounded by operational sign. Okay, so this is the first term, and this is your second term. Now, what have you noticed? Anong napansin ninyo? Merong common sa bawat terms. Ano ang common? X plus y. Napansin nyo? Mayroong x plus y dito, mayroong x plus y sa kabila. Now, ilalabas mo ngayon ang common. X plus y. Ilalabas mo ngayon yan. Kasi common sa bawat terms. Now, ano ang matira? X minus 3 na lang ang matira. Sa kabila naman ay x minus 5. Okay. Ngayon, ano ang gagawin mo? Ilalabas mo ito, x plus y. Ilalabas mo ulit. Tapos, isimplify mo ito. X plus x, magiging dalawang x. Negative 3 plus negative 5, pareho ang sign. Dagdag ang absolute value, magiging 8. Tapos, kukopyahin mo ang common sign. So, this will be your factors. And this will be your final answer. Okay?